If you want to set up shipping in GoDaddy, especially for a WordPress store, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install WooCommerce, open the shipping settings, create a shipping zone, and add a shipping method so your customers can actually check out with the right delivery options. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step website and e-commerce guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress admin area by typing your domain/wp-admin in the address bar. Once the page loads, log in using your WordPress credentials. This will take you into the main dashboard, where you can manage your website, plugins, pages, products, and all of your store settings. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Plugins. From there, choose Add Plugin. This is where you can search for the tools you need to power your online store. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the main e-commerce plugin that adds shipping, payments, products, and checkout features to your website. Once WooCommerce appears in the search results, click Install Now. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete, and then click Activate. After activation, WooCommerce becomes available in your WordPress dashboard and gives you access to the store setup options you need, including shipping. Next, go back to the sidebar and click WooCommerce, then open Settings. Inside the WooCommerce settings page, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click the Shipping tab. This is where all shipping-related options are managed, including zones, methods, rates, and rules for different locations. Once you're on the shipping page, click Add Shipping Zone. A shipping zone is a geographic area where you want to offer specific shipping rules. For example, you might create one zone for your local country, another for a specific region, or one for international customers, depending on how your store operates. After creating the zone, you'll need to add a shipping method. Click Add Shipping Method. You'll usually see options like free shipping and flat rate. Select the method that fits your business model and click Continue. If you choose free shipping, you can configure conditions like requiring a coupon or setting a minimum order amount. If you choose flat rate shipping, this means you'll charge a fixed amount for delivery. In the next step, enter the tax status if needed, and then type in the shipping cost you want to charge your customers. This is useful if you want a simple, predictable shipping fee at checkout. Take a moment to review everything carefully before saving. Make sure the shipping zone is correct, the method is selected properly, and the cost is set the way you want it. When everything looks good, click Create, and then save your changes. This final step stores your shipping setup so WooCommerce can apply it automatically during checkout. And that's it. You've now set up shipping in GoDaddy through your WordPress and WooCommerce dashboard. Your store is now ready to calculate shipping based on the rules and methods you selected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.